want to wear a robe? Where did you get that? He's gonna stay here. Okay, we're going down. Ano ba nangyari sa cheeks ko? Kailangan kong bumili ng bagong cheek tint sa Philippines. I love it. Ano bang mga suggestion nyo na pwedeng bilhin na brand dun sa Philippines? Ayoko na ng mga branded dito. Like, sobrang mahal. Binili namin to sa Marshalls ng medyo mura na rin naman siya. Yeah. Wala kami kasi luggage. So, yun. Baba na muna tayo. Huwag nyo na pansinin yung cheeks ko. Pangit. Kaya matatanggal agad to. Oh, hindi siya maganda, di ba? Ano ba nangyari dyan? So, baba na tayo.
I'm looking, Mama.
Are you looking?
This is the red one.
Mm-hmm. Almost done. Okay. Kawawa naman yung baby. Nagingipin kasi siya. Diba?
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Okonomiyaki. Excuse me. Masarap. Mag-i-steak ako. So, I'm using air fryer. So, ngayon, ito-try ko gawin to ng isang kamay lang. Ipat-pat muna natin. Ipat. Merong batang ayaw magpabitaw. Buti si Kuya Abe is nasa baba, nanonood siya. Olive oil. Tapos ikakalat natin. Then, I'm using Clubhouse na seasoning, yung Montreal steak. Ayan ang ginagamit namin sa steak namin. I think it's okay. Try natin. Ganyan. Okay, ngayon, ipapasok na natin yung ating steak. Okay, let's try this. Ako pa si Kaide. Sa isang ganito. Ayan. Pasok ulit. 400 Fahrenheit. 15 muna. 15 minutes. Tapos after nyan, balik na rin. Tapos 15 minutes ulit. Smile! While waiting. While waiting. Moment of truth.
Orange airplane.
Done. Dinner time.